Hi, I'm Matthew with Willow Bin Creations. We're often asked, what do I get when I order a no-sew border kit? Well, we're going to do a series of videos to show you exactly what you'll get. We'll go over the no-sew border intro kit, the single, the triple, the fusible and scissor package, and of course the deluxe scissor package also. So join us after the break and we'll show you what you get. Welcome back. When you order the no-sew border intro kit, this is the package you will receive in the mail. As we open it up, we can see on the back that the kit includes the Kaleidoscope border template, the Blackberries accent pattern, the quilt template, and the online video instructions. When we open it up, the first sheet is the instruction sheet with the URL for the tutorial video at the top, followed by the general instructions, the materials that are needed, the continuing pattern instructions, the no-sew border instructions, and finally how to assemble the quilt. The second sheet shows us that the finished size is 26 by 26 with the fabric requirements for all 5 colors along with how much fabric is needed for each. The cutting chart on the right side shows you how each of those fabrics need to be cut. This is the Blackberries pattern, which you need to trace or print onto fusible, iron the fusible onto a focal fabric, and then the portions with the X's are cut out, in which case those are the white. We recommend the 4-inch embroidery scissors. The next 2 sheets shows you the top layer and the mid layer for the Kaleidoscope pattern. Each of these are ironed onto fusible, you cut out the gray part, and then assemble as required. Once they're all done, you'll be left with this beautiful pattern. You can find more on our YouTube channel on how to do the Kaleidoscope pattern, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.